Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to close a survey on SurveyMonkey. Now here I am on my dashboard. You can see all my surveys. Let's say I would like to close this one. As you can see, it is currently open. All you need to do is click on the survey, or you can click on these three dots and then click on Edit Survey. Now let's wait for the survey editor. And then what we are going to do, we're going to come here at the top panel. Let's wait for this to load up. And then click on Collect Responses. Okay. Now, once we click on this and this page loads up, you'll see the different survey collectors we have. All we need to do is go ahead and click on these three dots next to each one of them. And then just go ahead and delete or close these collectors. So there we go. We can go ahead and close this as such. This would be the closed message. Then you can click on Close Collector. As you can see, the status of this one is closed. We can do the same thing for all of these. And then once I go back to my home page, so there we go. I've closed all of them. Now I'll come back here, click on Home. So this was called Shortlisting. Now once I come back to my home page, you'll see that this survey would not be open anymore, and basically it would be closed. And there you go. That is how you can go ahead and close a survey on SurveyMonkey.